This apple and blackberry crumble dessert is easy, warming and comforting. A layer of juicy apple pieces and blackberries topped with a delicious crispy crumble is sure to become a family favourite. Served with ice cream, cream or custard. Absolutely delicious. Okay, let's show you how to make it. So what we need then, we need to zest and juice 1 lemon. And then we need to peel and core our apples. Always be careful using a knife. And then what we'll do then, we'll cut them into irregular shapes. We'll slice and dice. Now if you slice thinly, it will dissolve in the apple crumble mixture. So slice it in different sizes, cube it, and then we'll keep some texture throughout our crumble. And then what we want to do then is add our zest and our lemon juice, mix it all in, and this will stop our apples from browning. And then we want to cover. And with our crumble mix then, we want 180 grams of all-purpose flour, 80 grams of brown sugar, 50 grams of oats and half a teaspoon each of cinnamon and nutmeg, and give it a good mix in. Then we want to add our 100 grams of cold butter. And then what we want to do is mix it in with our fingers, lifting it up gently, mixing it through until we have a coarse breadcrumb type mixture. And that's basically our crumble made. So we need to cook the apples then, so on a low medium heat, add about 50 grams of butter, ,50 grams of sugar, stir it through until it melts and dissolves and has a caramel type colour and smell. And then we want to be adding our apples. So gently cook the apples through for about 5 minutes, and then turn off the heat and add half a teaspoon of cinnamon. Stir it all through, and then we want to add a small handful of frozen blackberries. Just give it a stir through, and that's our filling mix made. And then we need to layer up. So in a bowl then we want to put our apple blackberry mix, pack it down a little bit, and then add our crumble mix to the top. Now I tend to pack it down a little bit and put a couple of spoonfuls of loose on the top. So in a preheated oven then, at 180 degrees, We want to be cooking our crumble for about 40 minutes. And after 40 minutes we've got a lovely golden top, slightly bubbled out at the sides, which you get with all crumbles. All we need to do now is serve and enjoy. Now guys, I hope you like what we're doing. Like and subscribe and share, and we'll catch you next time.